Struggling to track your BIM project's progress and share trends with stakeholders in a way that really makes an impact? Let's fix that. As your project moves forward, it can be hard to see the big picture through all the created data, making it tough to understand project health or make informed decisions. With BIMcollab's Power BI integration, we've got you covered. It transforms your data into insights. Here's how the Power BI connector can enhance your project tracking. First, model quality control. Track key indicators in real time to assess your model's health. Analyze issue trends across your project and gain a clear overview of the overall status of issue resolution. Second, multi-project statistics. Keep all your project metrics in one place, including detailed insights on user activities and task status. Monitor trends and performance across projects to ensure effective resource use. Identify potential bottlenecks and enhance accountability, driving optimized project outcomes and overall productivity. Third, issues monitoring. Analyze issue trends across your project. Get a clear overview of the overall status of issue resolution in your projects and the issues that are being dealt with, so you can communicate it more effectively with your team and stakeholders. With automatic data refresh scheduling, your Power BI reports are always up to date, helping you maximize the value of your data. Ready to track your projects in a whole new way? Download the Power BI connector from our Help Center and start turning data into insights today.